Have you ever wondered what the letters on your calculator do? Well, say you have a number like this one that you need to keep reusing in calculations, but you don't want to type it out each time. Type it in your calculator, so 145.21 is the one I'm working with. Then if I press Shift and then press this button here which says STO above it for store, so I click on that. Then I press a button that has a letter above it. Let's choose the one with B. So press this one and it will store that number in the letter B. So now whenever I type the letter B using alpha and that button, I can do calculations using that number, but with B instead. So I could do B plus 5, which would give me 5 plus that number, or I could do like 3B plus 5 minus B, or something like that, and it would do the calculations and saves me having to type that in each time. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more aesthetic mathsy videos, do check out my channel and subscribe.